Hey everyone, it's Jason from the Bead Gallery, and we're gonna make this bone link right here.
Because it's Halloween!
Boom! We're gonna make that link right there. I'm gonna take my chain nose plier. I'm gonna pinch about an inch. Bend an angle. My round nose pliers. I'm gonna use about 2/3 of the plier. And I'll come up, over, and around. Then I'm going to turn about that much there. And turn my wrist. I'm going to make about one wrap. Use your other plier, your chain nose plier, to finish the wrap off, okay? But if you made it long enough, this shouldn't be a problem. I just made it a little bit too short. Okay. Made about a wrap right there. And now I'm going to pinch about this much, about the width of my chain nose plier. Bend it. About that much. 2/3 of the plier. Here's the bones part. You can hold your plier like this, or you can hold your plier like this. It's up to you. Since this coated wire is a little bit slippery, you might need to do this, okay? Hold it just like this. Now, here we go. Like so. I'm going to end it right there. Cut this off. And then there's your bones. You can fix it up a little bit. And then link them together. Have fun.
Happy Halloween!